Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation discusses DTC P15C9, indicating an issue with the brake booster pressure sensor A in the Honda Civic 2022 and later models. This DTC signifies that the output voltage from the brake booster pressure sensor is locked, meaning it fails to change within the specified parameters when the vehicle is stopped and has undergone several cycles. Such failures are detected by the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, which records the condition for diagnostics. Understanding this error is crucial for ensuring safe vehicle operation, as the brake booster plays a vital role in enhancing braking efficiency by amplifying the force applied to the brake pedal. Close examination and prompt action are required to resolve this issue for effective braking performance. The brake booster pressure sensor A and brake booster vacuum hose are critical components in the braking system of the Honda Civic. The brake booster pressure sensor measures the pressure exerted on the brake booster, assisting the driver in applying the correct amount of force to the brake pedal. This sensor is located on the brake booster, which is typically situated near the firewall in the engine compartment. The brake booster itself uses engine vacuum to amplify the force from the brake pedal, thus enabling smoother braking. If the vacuum hose, which connects to the intake manifold, is compromised or the sensor malfunctioning, it can lead to DTC P15C9. The Powertrain Control Module, PCM, processes information from this sensor and can log error codes if it detects abnormal values, alerting the driver to potential issues requiring attention. The potential causes of DTC P15C9 are threefold. First, a failure in the brake booster vacuum hose could obstruct proper functioning. If this hose has cracks or leaks, it can prevent the brake booster from generating the necessary vacuum, affecting the sensor's readings. Secondly, the brake booster pressure sensor itself may be faulty, meaning that it cannot effectively measure the pressure changes, leading to a constant output that the PCM recognizes as locked. Lastly, a malfunction within the PCM could also cause it to misinterpret the data from the sensor. Ensuring each component functions correctly is essential for reliable brakes and safe operation of the vehicle. Several symptoms can indicate the presence of DTC P15C9. First and foremost, the driver may notice that the brake pedal feels spongy or lacks the expected firmness when pressed, signaling potential hydraulic malfunctions. Secondly, a noticeable reduction in braking efficiency could occur, leading to longer stopping distances, which can severely impair safety. Additionally, if the vehicle systems indicate any faults, warning lights may illuminate on the dashboard, alerting the driver to investigate further. It's vital to address these indicators promptly to prevent further complications or potential accidents. Begin the troubleshooting process by turning the vehicle to the off lock mode. This ensures that all electronic systems are powered down, allowing for safe inspection of components. Next, press the brake pedal multiple times to deplete any vacuum that may remain in the system. This process is crucial, as it prepares the system for testing and helps gather accurate data concerning the brake booster pressure sensor's functionality. Without depleting the vacuum, the readings taken afterward may not accurately represent the sensor's condition. After the vacuum has been depleted, switch the vehicle back to the on mode. It is at this point that you will check the brake booster pressure sensor A's value using a diagnostic tool such as the HDS, Honda Diagnostic System. Starting the engine will allow real-time readings of this sensor. It's essential to keep an eye on the sensor value while the engine is running, as this data will inform you whether the sensor is functioning properly. If the readings remain unchanged despite the engine running, it confirms a fault with the sensor or related components. Evaluate the readings from the brake booster pressure sensor A to determine if they change with engine operation. If the values do not reflect expected changes based on conditions, this indicates the failure is present. At this stage, you should verify if the problem can be duplicated through testing procedures, as this will provide clarity on the issue's nature. Additionally, consider checking for other diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, that may be present alongside P15C9, as this could point to interconnected faults impacting the braking system. Once repairs have been made, confirm that everything is functioning correctly. Conduct a thorough brake functionality test to ensure that the brake pedal feels firm and the vehicle responds properly to brake inputs. It is essential to also monitor for any signs of the DTC reoccurring, as this will indicate whether the initial issue has been satisfactorily resolved. Keeping the brake system in optimal condition is vital for both safety and performance during driving, and any persistent issues should be addressed immediately. To prevent future occurrences of errors such as DTC P15C9, regular inspection and maintenance of the brake components are critical. This includes checking the integrity of the brake booster vacuum hose. Any signs of cracks or wear should prompt immediate replacement. Additionally, maintaining proper brake fluid levels is essential for the brake system to function correctly, ensuring canister protection against air and moisture contamination. Scheduled maintenance should also include checking the brake booster and its associated sensors to mitigate any unforeseen failures. By adhering to a maintenance schedule, vehicle owners can ensure a safer and more reliable driving experience. To summarize, understanding the symptoms and possible causes of DTC P15C9 is essential in maintaining the performance of the Honda Civics braking system. Following the outlined step-by-step troubleshooting process will help effectively diagnose and rectify the issue, ensuring that any malfunction is addressed promptly. Emphasizing the importance of regular maintenance can significantly mitigate the risk of future problems. Ensuring the braking system operates reliably. Staying vigilant and proactive in the care of vehicle systems promotes safety and enhances the driving experience, making it essential for every vehicle owner. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.